Good morning, student. Today we will discuss a new chapter, that is concept of index. Concept or index. So what is index? First to define what is index. And obviously this chapter related with class 9 obviously. In class 9 laws of indices. Just preliminary of this stage in your class. Concept of index. Very well known things. If we write 2 square, that is equals to how much? That is nothing but 4. 2 square means 2 square. That means 2 into 2. It is known to you. Most probably it is known to you. 2 into 2. Similarly, 3 cube. What is the meaning of this? 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. How much? 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3, that is 27. Now, if we write in this way, then these 3 or these 2 not are both are equal. If we take in this way again another example, that is 3 to the power 4. What is the meaning of 3 to the power 4? That means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. Since it is 4, that means 3 multiplied 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So if we multiply this, then 3 3s are 9 and this is also 3 3s are 9. That is 81. Okay. Now this 4, that means in the power of this is the index. 4 is the index or power. Index or power. And in this case, this 3 known as base. This 3 known as base. 3 known as base and powers of 3 known as index. So what is index and what is power? It is clear. Now if we write, say 10 to the power 5. So in this case, which one is base and which one is index? In this case, this is the power of 10. So this is 5 is index or power, and this 10 known as base. This 10 known as base and 5 known as index. Now if we write algebra in class 6, you have already learned. Say a to the power 3. A to the power 3. In this case, which one is index? 3 is index. Index 3 and base is A. Base is A. Clear? Base is A and index is 3. So, if we write 1000 in the powers of 10, so what have to do? 1000. If we write 1000, we know that 1000 in means 10 into 10 how much? 10 into 10 is 100. 100 multiplied by 10, then we get 1000. So 10 into 10 into 10, so that can be put in the form 10 cube. This also put in the form of 10 cube. So in this case, which one is the base? Base is 10 and index is 3. Base and index. Clear? So which one is base and which one is index? Now it is clear to all of you most probably. If we write a to the power m, then which one is base? Very easy. Base is A and index is M. Index or power. Power or index is M. It's okay. So which one is base and which is index? It is clear to all of you now. Next, if we expand 7821 and 3853, say, in power of 10, in the power of 10, that means we have to write it is in extended form. It is very easy. If a number is given, say 58, if we write in extended form, then we can write in this way: 5 into 10 plus 8. 5 into 10 plus 8, that means extended form. You write this number extended form in most probably class 3, 2, 3, 4, etc. Write in extended form. So 5 is the 10th place and 8 is the unit place. Now if here it is given 781, so 3 places are given. Unit place is 1, 10th place is 8 and 100th place is 7. So if we write in extended form, then we write 7 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 1 into 10 to the power 0, yes, so it is 1, 0, something to the power 0 is 1, discuss later on. So this can be put in this form: 7 into 10 square plus 8 into 10 plus 1. And the next problem, 3853, in extended form, it can be put in the form of 3 into 1000 plus 8 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3. So 1000 means in powers of 10, that is 10 cube, written earlier. So 3 into 10 to the power 3 plus 8 into 10 to the power 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 or 10 itself. This one, if we expand, it is in the form of this. Clear? So 100 can be put in the 10 to the power. 10 to the power how much? If this is box, this is nothing but how much? It is, answer will be 2. Very easy. Similarly, 32. Express 32 in powers of 3. 32. Powers of 2. Put in the powers of 2. So how many 2's are there? If we multiply, then we get 32 is nothing but 2 to the power 5. How we get this? Just follow me. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we write, this is 2 to the power 5. 32 can be put in this form of index 2 to the power 5. Okay. Now we study about laws of indices. Study about laws of indices. So what are the laws of indices? Very simple. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m into a to the power n, that is equals to a to the power m plus n. Powers will be added together. Powers will be added together like that. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. This is nothing but 2 to the power 7. How you get 7? First write 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, that is 2 to the power 7. In this way, if we use this formula, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Next, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is equals to a to the power m minus n. Powers will be subtracted each other. Excuse me. A to the power m minus a to the power n. How? Like that. 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 2. If we write in this way, 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 2. In extended form, 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Concept of index is known to all of us now. 4 times, and 2 square means 2 into 2. So 2 to cancel out, these 2 to cancel out. 2 into 2, that is 2 square, or 2 to the 2 square means 4. Now, if we use this formula like that, 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 2, that means parts will be subtracted. So 4 minus 2. So how much? 4 minus 2 means 2 square. That is again, we get 4 very easily. We have not do in this way. Write down total things 2 to the power 4. If it is 4, say we write 4 times. If it is given 10 times, then we have to write 10 times. Not so easy like that. If it is given 3 to the power 10 divided by 3 to the power 7, then what happens? We have to write 3 to the power 10, that means 3 in 10 times divided by 3 7 times, which is not very easy to write. Now, if we use this formula, then we can write 3 to the power 10 minus 7, that is 3 to the power 3. 10 minus 7 is nothing but 3. So 3 cube, we have already found value of 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3, that is nothing but 27. 3 into 3 is a 9. 9 into 3 is a 27. So it will be 27. Clear? Next things. A to the power m, suppose two things a and b to the power m, that is equals to a to the power m into b to the power n. AB whole to the power m, that is nothing but a to the power m into b to the power n. Sorry, it will be m. That is nothing but 2 into 3 to the power 4. 4, 3 or 4, no problem at all. This is by our formula. This is 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. That means 2 to the power 4 means how much? 2 into 2 4 times, that is 16. And 3 to the power 4 is nothing but how much? 3 to the power 4 means 3 cube is 27 into 3, that is 81. Now 16 into 81, how much? 16 ones are 16. 16 into 81, 128. 128 plus 129, 1296. Check it. 16 into 81. Now, if we take in other way also, just for verification, 2 into 3 how much? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 1296 and it is 2 into 3 means 6. In other way also, 2 into 3 whole to the power 4, that can be written as 2 into 3 means 6, 6 to the power 4, that means 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So 36 into 36, that is nothing but how much? 1296 again. Check it. It must be same. So a into b whole to the power m, that is nothing but a to the power m into b to the power n. And another one, a to the power m to the power n. This is m, this is n, different. That is equals to a to the power m into n. A to the power m into n. That means if we take 2 cube whole to the power 2, that means 2 to the power 3 into 2, that is 6. Check it. It is true or false? 2 cube. 2 to the power 6 means how much? First find the value of this 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 5 is 32. We have already write where? No. 2 into 2 into 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times. 2 to the power 4 into 4. 16. 16 into 2. 32. 32 into 2. That is 64. Okay. And 2 cube square. If we take first this one, 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. So 8 square. What is the value of 8 square? Square means 8 into 8. That is 64. So these are correct. Now another things keep it in your mind. These things means a to the power mn, but if it is given a to the power m to the power n, this bracket is not present here. A to the power m to the power n is not equal to a to the power mn. Just keep in your mind, a to the power m to the power n, that is not equal to a to the power m into n. Like that, 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. Okay. That means first square of 3. This means square of 3. Square of 3 means how much? This 2 to the power 9. It is not equals 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. This is equal to 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 and 2 to the power 9 are not equal. If bracket is absent, then it is not true. Keep it in your mind always. And another things, something to the power 0, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Something to the power 0 is 1, but instead of a must be non-zero, where a must be non-zero. Something to the power 0 is 1. The restriction is this number is non-zero, obviously. Okay. So if a is 0, then what happens? This is 0 to the power 0. This is undefined. 0 to the power 0 is undefined. Keep it in your mind, 0 to the power 0 is undefined. Something to the power 0 is 1 except a is non-zero. That means if we find 2 to the power 0 is equal to how much? 2 to the power 0 is 1. 3 to the power 0 is also 1. Just 0 to the power 0 is undefined. Other than 0, something to the power 0 except 0 is always 1. Is it clear? Next, 5.6 on your book. 9 square divided by 9 square. How much? Fill in the blanks. 9 square divided by 9 square. This is nothing but 9 to divide, that means 9 to the power, subtract 2 minus 2, that is 9 to the power 0, and 9 to the power 0 is 1. So this is 1, answer will be 1. 7 cube divided by how much? Exactly as before, that is, this is also 7 cube. 7 cube by 7 cube, that is 1. 11 to the power 0, something to the power 0 is equal to how much? 1, so it is 1. Now 1 is equal to 13 to the power how much? Same things. This is also 0. Again 1 is equal to minus 13 to the power. Same things. Again something to the power 0 is 1, a to the power 0 is 1, except a is not equal to 0. So this is very easy question and this is very easy portion. Clear? Clear to all of you? Very easy. Something to the power 0 is always 1. Next we write another 2 question. Express 8 into 8 into 8 as power of 2. And another one. Express 81 into 81 as power of 3. 8.5 from your book. So express 8 into 8 into 8 as power of 2. This is 8 into 8 into 8. Sorry. So 8 means 2 cube. Again 8 means 2 cube. Very sorry. Now we know that the formula a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So first we write from these two, 2 to the power 3 plus 3. This remain intact. First, so 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 3. Again write this same formula, 6 plus 3, that is 2 to the power 9. So 8 into 8 into 8 is nothing but 2 to the power 9. Clear? Another 81 into 81. 81 in powers of 3. We have already known 81 means 3 to the power 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 3, 81. So 3 to the power 4 is 81. 3 to the power 4 means 81. Clear? So this is 3 to the power 4 and this is also 3 to the power 4. Now use a to the power m into a to the power n, that is equals to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m into a to the power n, that is nothing but a to the power m plus n. So 3 to the power 4 plus 4, that is 3 to the power 8. That is equals to 3 to the power 8. Next, let us simplify. Let us simplify 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 5 by 6 to the power 5. Okay, 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 5, that is divided by 6 to the power 5. Now if we write in this way, 2 to the power 6 remain intact, 3 to the power 5 remain intact. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Is it? Why we write 2 into 3? Since here present 2 and 3, so 6 can be written in this way, 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 whole to the power 5 first. Next, remember the formula, a into b whole to the power m, that is equals to a to the power m into b to the power m. Remember this formula first. So in denominator, 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. Is it? AB whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m, b to the power m. So we can write in this way also. Now express in this way, 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 5, and this can be 3 to the power 5 by 3 to the power 5. Now it will be 2 to the power 6 minus 5, and it is obviously it is 1. 3 to the power 5 minus 5 from which formula? I write here again, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is equals to a to the power m minus n. Again we write the formula, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, that is equals to a to the power m minus n. So this is 2 to the power, clear picture? Yes. 2 to the power 6 minus 5, that means 2 to the power 1, that is 2, and 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0 means 1, it is known to all of us now. 2 into 1, that is equals to 2. So answer will be 2. Answer will be 2. Next, another one, say problem number 7, a to the power 7 by a to the power 5 whole into a to the power 2. Where a is non-zero, obviously it is given, a not equal to 0, given a to the power 7 by a to the power 5 into a to the power 2. So first we use this formula, just this one, a to the power 7 by a to the power 5, this means divided, so a to the power 7 minus 5 into a to the power 2 remains same. So what happens? This means 7 minus 5, that is 2, and it is again a to the power 2. So powers are added, 2 plus 2, that is 4. That is 4, a to the power 4. Another things you may remember it, a to the power minus m, that is equals to 1 by a to the power m. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Or another way you can remember also this, a to the power minus m, that is equals to a to the power n. Obviously a is non-zero, obviously a non-zero, keep it in your mind, otherwise it is undefined. Obviously a is non-zero. Clear? This is always non-zero. So these are the problems. Therefore, so these are all easy sums. Now, okay, I will give you some problems. Try to solve and send it to me. Just problem number 5. 25 square simplify. Obviously simplify form. Let's find the value. Find the value. 25 square into 25 square divided by 5 to the power 10. And number 8 and 6 also first. 6, 2 cube into 3 to the power 9 by 3 to the power 6 into 6 to the power 3. Number 8, 3 into 7 square into 2 to the power 4 by 21 into 112. 21 into 112. Okay, try to solve this problem and send it to me. Try to solve this problem and send it to me within 10 minutes. I give 3 problems, I give another problem also. 4 problems already done in this time. Express express 36 into 36 into 36 as power of 6 as power of 6. Okay.